How to fix mouse not working on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at all of the possible solutions if your mouse is not working on Windows laptop or PC. So the first thing you want to do is identify what kind of mouse you're using, whether it's a wireless USB mouse or it's a wireless Bluetooth mouse or if it's a wired mouse. Once you identify your mouse, you are going to have to open up your device manager. Go ahead and open it up. Now it's going to work for all of the mouses that you have. Go to mice and other pointing devices. Click on drop down. So here I have two devices. The first one is my touchpad for my laptop, which is this one over here. And the second one is the wireless mouse I'm using. So what I'm going to do is right click on it, whichever one is not working, and then click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best driver is already installed, then there is no likely problem with any hardware. You could also additionally search for updated drivers on your Windows Update. Now go to Action and then scan for hardware changes. Now, if there are any changes, it's going to automatically refresh it and find those changes for you. All right, so once you make sure that all of the drivers are up to date, you might want to check your mouse battery, because if you're using a wireless mouse, obviously it's going to operate on battery. You just want to check if it has enough battery or not. You can try to replace your batteries or just move it around for a bit and see if that works. The other thing you need to make sure is that your Bluetooth connection is strong. So if you're using a Bluetooth mouse like this one, you need to make sure that you have a stable Bluetooth connection or your mouse is not too far away from your laptop, and then you could easily start using it again. Now, finally, if you are using a wired mouse, in that case, all you have to do is check if there are any damages to the wire or if there are any cuts or some problem with the wire, which might be causing the issue. And those are some of the things that you can check to fix your mouse problem on Windows laptop. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.